So much of classroom instruction is subjective in nature and is designed without knowing what the learners in the classroom need. By understanding the strengths and needs of every individual in a classroom, teachers can design instruction using authentic, student-centered data and teach to the strengths of the group or individuals. Our solution is simple and easy, as it does not download on teachers to do more, but it gives them the missing piece to do their jobs better. Much of the ed tech on the market today focuses on reinforcing lower order thinking skills. By understanding the strengths and needs of learners, Rellie assists educators to leverage the cognitive areas required to awaken the capability of higher order thinking. Our method digitizes a model that my team was successful in executing manually in a large middle school. The only issue was that the manual method could not scale into other environments. To achieve our desired outcomes, we needed baseline data on our learners to assist with personalizing instruction in the classroom. Rellie screens every student in approximately 15 to 20 minutes using a student-centered approach. With an educational psychologist, we developed a screening that parallels the formal interview process before standardized testing is applied to gather data in 7 cognitive categories. Our algorithm matches cognitive scores with appropriate instructional strategies that are immediately actionable in the classroom so that teachers can teach to student strengths and accommodate any learning needs. We also provide a way for students and parents to interpret and understand their learning. Our teaching strategies are designed around the recommendations of psychological reports and directly translated into classroom-friendly strategies. We believe that classroom instruction should be designed around how the students in the class learn best, so that equity of instruction can be achieved. Currently, the feedback has been extremely positive, and our community is asking us for more. We have created a way to engage students where they are able to see simplified reports on themselves and develop learning goals based on their personal data, as well as creating a bank of resources so teachers do not have to continually create their own from scratch. Our next generation can change the world. Rellie is leveling the playing field by providing equity to help every student realize their full potential.